Hey, what's up? Redmi AirDots S is improved version of the popular wireless earbuds from Xiaomi. The new model has two main updates: game mode and no master-slave connection. What about design, battery and sound quality? Are they the same? Let's check it out. As you can see, I have a Chinese version of Redmi AirDots S, but it doesn't differ from the global one, except the Chinese inscriptions on the box. On the back there are main specifications of the new earbuds. Inside the box I found the charging case with earbuds, silicone ear tips, and user manual. The user manual is also in Chinese. As you can see, there's no charging cable. I don't have the previous Redmi AirDots right now, but I assure you that Redmi AirDots S have the same charging case and earbuds. There are no differences in design at all. The size of the case is 60 by 40 by 25 mm. The weight is about 34 grams. On the top there's a Redmi logo, while on the back we can see micro USB charging port. Inside the case there are two earbuds. They have LED indicators and physical control buttons. The silicone ear tips are removable and they are available in different sizes. I guess that's all about design. As I said, the design of Redmi AirDots S is exactly the same as Redmi AirDots. The main upgrades of the new Redmi AirDots S is connection method. Actually, the connection process is the same as other wireless earbuds. You just need to take the earbuds out of charging case, go to Bluetooth settings on smartphone, and choose Redmi AirDots S. However, the smartphone is connected to both earbuds at the same time. In other words, you can use left or right earbuds separately. In the previous version, the smartphone was connected to the left earbud and only then to the right one. Because of this, you may have had problems with connecting the second earbud. There are no such problems with Redmi AirDots S. The physical control buttons allows you to play pause the music, call voice assistant, and activate game mode. The last one is a new feature of Redmi AirDots S. The latency is really low in game mode. However, I am disappointed that Redmi AirDots S doesn't have switch tracks function and volume control. You know, the sound quality of Redmi AirDots S is about the same as previous version, but I noticed that the sound is louder. To be honest, I can't listen at maximum volume because the sound is really loud. From the other hand, it doesn't rumble at maximum volume. For the budget $20 earbuds, the sound is great. The charging case of Redmi AirDots S has a battery capacity of 300 mAh. Each earbud is equipped with 43 mAh battery, and this is enough to play music for hours on a single charge. Using the charging case, the battery life increases to 12 hours. I think it is quite difficult to buy Redmi AirDots right now, and it doesn't make sense. The new Redmi AirDots S has stereo and mono mode, gaming mode, and the same price as the previous version. The price of Redmi AirDots S starts from $15. These are very good earbuds for their price. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.